The recording will be available later today, this afternoon. Ayan, I'm just actually waiting for Google Drive to send me the replay. Ay, ayan, it's already up. So let's start. Ayan, yung presentation ko dated pa talaga siya kahapon. So again, welcome everyone to our introduction on sales funnel and SMM. So this is a comprehensive guide for beginners like you. So again, this is a boot camp. So this will be a 4-week learning process. Along the way, we will be having additional informations and check-ins in 4-week time. Okay, so sa mga hindi po naka-attend kahapon, you have to take a look at the replay, and as what I have discussed with you guys, you will be graded or you will be performing in a group basis. And your groupings will be sent also sa Discord. Kaya kung wala pa kayo sa Discord as of now, it's very important for you to be there already. Dapat ando na po kayo sa Discord. Kasi kung hindi nyo po talaga makukuha yung, anong tawag dito, yung activity or groupings ninyo. And then, if ever na may group mates kayo na hindi active, you also have to take note of that one because you have to inform me. Okay? As a beginner, it's very, very important to collaborate so that it will be easier for you also. All right? Let us now start. Now, so when we say sales funnel, so we have to understand that sales funnel is very crucial and for an effective social media marketing. So now, why did we discuss social media marketing first or social media management yesterday first? It is because we need a platform to market our funnel. Okay, so sometimes people tend to misunderstand or anong tawag nito, parang nalilito sila between a sales funnel, or a funnel alone and a website. All right, so funnel is actually the same with website, but it has more direct or it has more purpose compared to a website. Okay, and then a sales funnel also guides a potential customer from awareness, all right, take note here, from awareness to action. Kaya may nag-comment dito ng Imbudo, and I will also be discussing later on. So what do you call this? We also want to make sure that in a sales funnel, only those who are very interested, okay, only those who are very interested will success in getting our in getting our product or service. Okay, and I will be giving you a structure on that one. Now let us understand sales funnel. So we have traditional, which is the normal website, versus funnel selling. So traditional selling focuses on one-time transaction, while funnel selling nurtures leads through stages, enhancing customer relationships and increasing conversion rates. Okay, next, streamlining customer journey. So sales funnel will guide customers from awareness to purchase, making the buying process smoother and more efficient, ultimately leading to higher sales. So a funnel, meaning nito, it will be working on your back end. Okay, magtatrabaho yan in your back end. So I don't know if you are familiar, but in my TikTok account, I have a link. So that is an example of a funnel wherein I try to give details about our training, and then there is a checkout page. Ayan. So that is one example. And then struggles without a funnel. So beginners often face challenges in converting leads into a structural funnel. I have also seen here that it focus on lead management. Okay? So tama din naman talaga yan. Funnels are there, okay? Funnels are there to get some leads, and later on you will also be understanding, okay, you will also be understanding what are the different kinds of funnel, and the different kinds of funnel will actually depend on your goal. Kung sa social media may goal tayo, here on sales funnel meron din po tayong different kinds of goal. All right, so for the goal of the funnel is that we have 3 goals dito. Okay, so it is to capture lead, all right, nurture them through engagement and convert them into paying caption. So it's just like relating it to social media management. We have to create a content, okay, make sure we engage to those people, and then our goal once again is to um convert them into a loyal customer. Okay, same lang siya sa funnel. Sa funnel is kukuha tayo ng mga leads, mag-nurture tayo through engagement. Okay, we will be engaging with them, and then we will also be converting them into a paying customer. It has still the same goal with social media management, which is trying people to buy our product, trying people to avail our service. Kaso nga lang dito sa sales funnel, it's not as hard. Okay, I mean, it's not as it's not as hard as social media management, because I don't know if you have experienced this, pero yung may kausap ka na sa social media, akakalain mo na, ay, okay, bibili na to, ayan, ay, mag-enroll na to. But at the end of the day, it becomes a flip. Okay, once we say it becomes a flip, sometimes hindi na sila nagre-reply, sometimes gino-ghost ka na nila. So again, the time that you have pour in to, or yung effort na ginawa mo para sa pagbigay ng ano tawag doon, mga details, mga information sa pag-answer ng question niya, is actually put into waste. Okay? But with funnel, again, there's no time being wasted here also. Okay? Again, I'll just finish your read and we proceed to the hands-on. Now, eto yung aking sinabi na parang imbudo. Although it doesn't really look like an imbudo, but the shape looks like an imbudo. Diba? So we have the first part here, which is a very big opening. Ayan, very big opening. And naka-number yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us start first with social media. All right? For example, you created an initial outreach through engaging posts and attracting potential leads. So gumawa ka ng post, right? So again, you scheduled a post, you created a content, you added the link of your platform, or what do we call this, of your sales funnel. Ayan, 'di ba? So we have created our social media post. And then after that one, ayun, ang dami nagkagulo ng mga ang dami nagkagulo yung mga tao doon sa sales funnel na ginawa mo. So you had 10,000 people who interacted and who went to your anong tawag dito, to your page, okay, or to your funnel. Next is lead magnet. So in the lead magnet, we are actually offering valuable content in exchange for contact or information. Sino dito yung nakatry na give us your email and your complete name or your contact number, tapos may marireceive ka daw na 50% off, may receive ka na 5% off. Sino dito yung naka-experience? Yung pumunta, let's say for example, if you register right now here in our website, ito yung makukuha mo. Makakakuha ka ng mga free detail. Ayan, we have Nobo, we also have Ronald and John Michael, all right? So now, nung nag-register ka, may marireceive ka talaga na coupon. Pero have you also noticed na bakit palagi na ako nakaka-receive ng mga chain of emails? Okay? Why have I been receiving some email sequences? Were you able to question that? Yung parang spam na talaga siya. Have you tried that one? And so yung for example, yung mga updates, like parang binibentahan kayo sa email. Have you tried that one? Ayan, yes po. Alright, so that is actually what funnel is all about. Sometimes we can incorporate this one, alright? We can incorporate this one into email marketing. Alright, may mga email marketing, which I will be teaching you in our upcoming sessions also. Okay? Now, after that one, nung pumunta na sila sa website, only 6,000 people, all right, only 6,000 people gave their details for that freebie. For example, if you will click the link to claim your 50% off. All right, diba? For example, the industry of your client is about massage. Okay? So your goal there, okay, your goal there is pupunta yung mga tao from your social media post to the funnel that you have created. Now, inside this lead funnel, if they will be adding their email address and their contact number, you will be they will be getting the coupon na 50% off. But actually, what we are doing here, okay, what we are doing here is we are trying to get the lead. Okay? Sometimes this is considered as lead management. Okay? Or lead generation. So, sino dito yung nakarinig na ng lead generation? Lead generation is actually one of niche of a virtual assistant also. Have you heard about lead gen? Okay, so ayan, so yan yung ito yung mga ginagamit ng mga tao also to gather lead. So once we say lead, guys, ang ibig sabihin ng lead is sino yung mga potential na tao na talagang pwede nating makontak. All right? Now, as you can see in the numbers, it's actually decreasing. Okay? It's actually decreasing. So now, from 10,000 people na nag-react sa post mo, it becomes 6,000 already. Meaning, eto na lang yung tao talaga na interesado pa rin because they still registered. They gave your name, they gave them your email address, your contact number. So meaning, etong 6,000 na to, potential pa rin talaga to na magiging customer natin. Okay? Now, if interesado pa rin sila, na mag-claim pa rin ng 50%. Let's say, for example, kasi usually yung andito sa ating lead magnet, alright, usually yung andito sa ating lead magnet is more on mga freebies. Pero guys, honestly, yung freebies dito, it's not really a kawalan sa business. It's actually just a made up. Like for example, kumbaga, marketing strategy, 'di ba? Sino dito yung naka-experience din ng sale daw, pero yung tinanggal nyo yung red tag, okay? Nung tinanggal nyo yung red tag, the price is still the same. I have experienced that in one merchant. Okay, na-try ko talaga yan sa isang merchant sa mall. Wherein, bumili ako ng, gusto ko talaga yung damit na yon. So, nung nakita ko na naka-sale siya, nasabi ko sarili ko, ay, okay, parang nakasave ako dito. Okay, nakasave ako dito. But later on did I know, nung tinanggal ko na yung tag, same lang pala yung original price. Same lang pala yung original price sa naka-sale price. Alright? So that was actually very, very funny. So sabi ko, okay, ganito pala yung tactics nila. Yes po, meron nga po na 199 below. Yes, buy one take one, pero 1 peso. Napudol ako. Oo, yun yung term. So, ayun, sabi ko, okay. So, they are actually doing, anong tawag dito? Parang on hand or yung parang in person na lead management or lead gen. So, anyways, ayun. So, after that one, so once na mag-subscribe sila, they will automatically receive an email. But the goal of the email is not just to send the 50% off, but sometimes it actually requires them to purchase or to buy something. Okay? It requires them to buy something. So, for example, to avail this 50% off, just make sure to, to avail 1 hour and 30 minutes of a massage. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, yes, makakakuha sila ng 50% off, pero, okay, dapat sila mag-avail ng 1 hour and 30 minute na massage. Psychological approach po yata yan, coach. Yes, oo. So, Temu left the group. Oo, yung Temu. Grabe yung Temu, guys. Diyos ko, ayaw ko talaga sa Temu. Pero may nakakuha naman talaga kayo na free, pero ilang thousand pa yung dapat ninyo maano. Parang Orochina, 50% off daw, pero nung pina-appraise sa Palawan, ang laki daw nila ng patong sa gold. Ayun. So, ayun guys. So, meaning, after that one, when we sent the email sequence, only 2,500 pesos. Only 2,500 people showed their interest. Okay? And then, hanggang sa dumating sila sa sales page or tinatawag natin itong checkout page, only 1,000 people really availed. Okay, imagine ninyo, from 10,000 people, ayan, hanggang 1,000 tao na lang talaga yung nag-avail. Alright? So from the structure that we are actually seeing from a funnel, the structure that we are seeing from a funnel determines who are only serious. Okay? Dito talaga natin makikita kung sino yung mga taong seryoso. And at the same time, alright, at the same time, sino yung mga tao, okay, sino yung mga taong hindi seryoso. So this is actually, what we are doing in our bootcamp is actually a, parang sales funnel yung ginagawa natin today. Okay? We will be trying to figure out. This is because I said this is a commitment. This is not just a pure 2 days training lang. Like the formal training is just 2 days, but you will be learning new things. We will be checking in every week, like an hour and 30 minutes, let's say for example, per week, to check in your progress and to learn a different topic. Because again guys, etong sales funnel na to, hindi nyo to siya makukuha in one glance. Okay? And what you will be learning here in our sales funnel course or in our bootcamp is actually a parang gumagawa na talaga kayo ng business ninyo. And you will be forced to do so. Kasi ayan, sinabi ko na talaga sa inyo that you will be forced to do so. Kasi kung hindi nyo siya gagawin, useless po talaga yung pag-enroll nyo dito. Imagine, from 50 people who actually enrolled, only 30 plus joined. Yesterday, 30 plus lang. Ayan. But again, we're still giving them time to attend. Kasi nga 4 weeks na naman po yung training natin. Okay? Now, in the sales page, once again, this is the final step where leads convert into customers by making a purchase. So imagine ninyo, okay, if there is no sales funnel, you will be entertaining 10,000 people. But at the end of the day, only 1,000 people actually are very interested, okay, very interested, and who really wants to purchase the product that you are offering. Okay? Kumbaga napakahirap po talaga nito. You entertain 10,000 people, ayan, pero wala naman masyadong seryoso talaga. Okay? So this will actually help us. Okay? This will actually help us na para mas maging seryoso tayo dito. Okay? Ito lang 1,000 people na to. Ito lang yung siseryosohin natin. Because again, ito lang talaga yung mga tao na interesado. They are the only people who are interested and who are very eager to proceed with the purchase. Okay? Now, let us understand the buyer's journey. So, before ko nalaman tong sales funnel na to, I totally relate. Okay, nakarelate talaga ako nito, and I want you to relate yourself also here, and I want you to comment down below if you are experiencing the same thing. All right? So now, yung mga buyers daw, eto daw yung mga journey nila, or let us say potential customer. Ito daw yung mga journey nila before they turn into a buyer. Okay, potential buyer. So first is the awareness stage, all right? Dito tayo nag-a-attract ng potential customer through engaging social media posts. Okay, we aim for a 5% engagement rate to capture attention and generate interest. So in the first stage, dito po tayo na curious. Ano ba tong product na to? All right? Just like for example, in our academy, it is where you try to start being curious. Ano ba yung GV Academy? Ano ba yung ino-offer nila? Legit kaya yung training na ino-offer nila? So what you do, you check profiles, you try to ask more details, ayan, ano yung tinuturo sa academy, you try to wonder, anong tawag nito? Ano yung makukuha namin once we will be availing? So that is the awareness stage. So for our awareness stage, you are actually in my TikTok live here. Okay? Andito kayo sa TikTok live ko. Next is the interest stage. So when we say interest stage, dito na kayo nagpo-provide ng valuable content like lead magnet. Then this can increase your email list by 20%, nurturing leads towards making a decision. So for example, in this stage naman, Okay, dito na kayo nagpapakita ng interest talaga, nagme-message na kayo, ayan, how to avail, yung mga ganyan. So, in our academy, we have this lead magnet wherein nagla-live kami, and during our live, we give promotions, we give discounts. It's the same with lead funnel. Okay, nagbibigay kayo ng mga offers, nagbibigay kayo ng discount, which you are directing people to your funnel. Okay, so click this link, click the link in my bio to get 5% off, 20% off, to get buy one take one coupon, something ganyan. Okay? Now, nurturely, the next stage will be the decision stage. Now, this is very critical because this is where people will determine, okay? This is where people will determine kung mag-a-avail ba sila or hindi. Okay? So ano ba, mag-a-avail ba ako or hindi? Sure na ba ako dito or like hindi? Something na mga ganyan. Okay? So if the people are really interested, okay, if the people are really interested with the product or service that you are offering, they will still proceed to the next step. Okay, they will still proceed to the next step, which is the action stage. Now, in the action stage, this is where we encourage people to purchase, okay? Purchase, to add to cart. Ayan, magsisend na sila ng bayad. Okay, magpe-pay na talaga sila ngayon. Okay? And again, we are not doing it through hard selling because again, andun na sila sa ating webpage or andun na sila sa ating funnel, and the funnel will do everything for us. Okay? So that is one of the most important things sa funnel. All right? So sino dito yung let us relate this to you guys. So since nag-mention na tayo ng Temu, ayan. 'Di ba napapa-click din talaga tayo minsan kahit nagaano nyo nakaalam na si Temu is actually hindi naman siya scam, guys, because I've tried ordering sa Temu. Okay? May mga items din talaga si Temu na medyo mura, but there are also items na medyo mahal din. Okay, sino dito yung napaklik talaga sa advertisement ni Temu, napaspin talaga doon sa mga mga libre niyang spin daw, and then respin, ayan. Laging may notif, wala. Oo, 'di ba? So actually, because they were already able to capture you as a lead, ayan. 300 Gcash daw. O, 'di ba mga ganyan? So we were still doing that. After that, umaasa pa rin tayo na sometimes nakakuha tayo ng free shipping. Ano pa? Sometimes natatawa ako kasi guilty ako dito. Sometimes you get free shipping, ano pa, sometimes you get yung mga bagay-bagay talaga na na alam naman natin na niloloko lang talaga tayo, pero nagpapaloko din talaga tayo, 'di ba? 90% off. Itawan na lang natin yung mga budol. Itawan na lang talaga natin yung mga budol natin, guys. 'Di ba? And then sometimes also may funny experience pa ako ng mga budol-budol na 'yan. So pinag-aaralan ko yung mga budol nila kasi sabi ko, Diyos ko, hindi pwedeng mabudol tayo always. Like for example, yung mga 10-10 sale, 11-11 sale, 12-12 sale. I mean, meron naman talagang sale na yan. Pero hindi naman talaga siya over, di ba? Kasi sometimes you are urged to purchase, mag-aabang na kayo sa 3-3. Ayan, malapit na yung 3-3, guys. So, alam nyo na yung gagawin nyo. Sometimes nag-aabang na tayo ng 3-3 kasi doon na tayo bumibili, di ba? Kasi we know that, anong tawag nito? Anong tawag nito? Kasi alam natin na we will be able to save. So something na mga ganyan, 'di ba? So again, yes, meaning yan, okay, kudos to the marketing team of Temu. All in fairness naman talaga sa marketing team ni Temu because they were able to pull through or talagang na push through talaga nila yung goal nila. Okay? Now, there are different types of funnel to build as what I have shared with you earlier. May maraming klase po tayong funnel, just like a website. So this kind of funnel has different kinds of goal. And then, for example, anong tawag dito? When you try to approach your client in the future, okay, just like social media management, you have different goals also. All right. So can you give me one goal of a social media manager, or what's our can you give me one goal of an SMM? Nan-discuss natin to kahapon. So sino yung mga present kahapon? Tignan natin kung sino yung mga nakikinig. Alright? Ay, walang nakinig. To increase engagement. Alright, correct, Boo. What else? Engagement, correct, Lauren. So, ayan, sila Lauren, silang Boo, ayan. Sila yung mga active kahapon. Sino pa? Increase brand awareness, build network, very good. What else? Ayan, very good, Mary Claire. So, drive traffic and sales. So, when social media management actually have a goal, here in sales funnel, okay, here in sales funnel, we also have different types of goal, which is represented, okay, which is represented by the different kinds of funnels. Okay, so now let us try to differentiate the different kinds of funnels. Okay, so first is a lead generation funnel. So this is actually very self-explanatory. Okay, yung lead generation funnel. So this is created to capture leads by offering valuable content. So we use a lead magnet like an ebook, checklist, to mga vouchers para ma-force out natin yung mga tao to visit our funnel. Okay, to claim the free ebook, ayan. Do you want to become a virtual assistant? To claim the free social virtual assistant template, oh, click the link in my bio. Something na mga ganyan. Yan yung mga paandar na mga sales funnel, ay ng mga lead generation funnel. So of course, pupunta tayo doon, and then we will be giving our email. Ayan, don't worry guys, again, today we will just be discussing the overview, I mean the theory, and in our upcoming sessions, matututo po kayo kung paano gumawa ng funnel. Okay, that's the main purpose why we are doing our training. Ayan, kung may mga friends kayong hindi naka-attend, make sure to ask them to attend in our next session. Okay? Next, webinar funnel. So a webinar funnel is there to educate and engage your audience throughout your website. Okay? So this is where we promote our expertise and build trust, okay, leading to a higher conversion rates for your products or services. Sino dito yung nakarinig na about digital products? Okay? Who among you here heard about digital products? All right. Ayan. So they are actually one of the industry who has been using sales funnel for so long. Okay, sila yung gumagamit ng mga sales funnel. Pero actually guys, it just depends on you ha. But based on my personal experience, okay, based on my personal experience, digital product is actually there. Okay, is actually there para i-market lang din talaga sa, okay, you really have, para makapag-sales ka, dapat magaling ka din talaga mag-market. If you don't know how to market, then you won't be able, okay, you won't be able to, anong tawag dito? You won't be able to give that sales that you're actually looking for. Okay, may pa-teaser kung gaganahan sa next episode. Oo, tama yan. Okay, yung mga mga Chinese drama, ayan. So in the webinar funnel is actually the same, wherein you will be giving some tutorials, pero yung mga tutorials or yung mga videos na ginagawa mo is actually bitin. Kaya sometimes they will be tempted, okay? People are tempted to subscribe. Kasi kung hindi sila magso-subscribe, then hindi nila matatapos yung yung training na yon, 'di ba? So that's what webinar funnel do. Now, for free training funnel, dito naman talaga, para na to sa mga mayaman, char lang. In free webinar, free training funnel, so this is actually a funnel wherein you provide upfront with free training sessions. Pero, hindi nyo malalaman that at the end of the day, meron palang hidden na mga charges, like for you to have a one-on-one coaching, dapat, dapat naka-subscribe kayo sa kanila, may mga pa VIP pa, only those mga VIP members will be able to get their full service, mga ganyan. So sometimes it's just really on the free training funnel. Nadadala tayo sometimes sa mga nakikita natin online. But again, it is just also I have read it here, and thank you so much for that one. Yung anong tawag nito, psychological approach daw nila. Okay? It's just a psychological approach nila dito, wherein they are trying to capture the attention of people. Okay, now we also have the low ticket offer funnel. So when we say low ticket funnel, low ticket offer funnel, so this is actually wherein we encourage, okay, initial purchases with a low ticket offer. Like for example, okay, for example nito, you have to avail, let's say for example, you have to avail our package A. So yung package A natin is for example, 5 products, tapos 5 months warranty, and then after that, nung nag-avail na sila ng package A, merong offer sa package B. So sa package B is, instead of just offering 5 products, we'll be offering 15 products, and instead of 5-month warranty, magiging 10-month warranty na siya. Okay, something na mga ganyan. So that is actually the different kinds of funnel. But actually, guys, we will be reclassifying this. Okay, we will be reclassifying this. We will be focusing on lead generation funnel and a sales funnel. Okay, although every funnel's goal is to generate leads, our main goal here is to create a lead gen and also a sales funnel. Okay, because that is actually one of the most important tool that you should also learn as a startup or as a beginner. Okay, let us now proceed. Now, let us structure our funnel. Okay, again, guys, don't worry about this. This is just an overview, or this is just the theory. It will all make sense in our next session. Okay, kung paano natin siya gagawin. May formula tayo, pero huwag kayong mag-alala. Kasi yung formula natin, hindi 1 plus 1. Okay, hindi ganon. Yung formula natin is scenario-based. Alright? Now, first, craft a compelling headline. Okay? Meaning ng compelling headline is yung palang magiging head turner talaga yung website mo. Okay? Now, I just want to try this out, okay? I just want to try this out. There's no right or wrong answer here. I just want to assess how quickly you can create a very strong headline. Okay? Let us say for example, Valentine's Day promotion and staycation yung industry ng client mo, okay? The industry of your client is under a staycation. Can you give me a strong and compelling headline? All right? We have the formula here. Okay, tignan yung formula dito. Result plus time frame plus target audience. For example, get your first VA client in 30 days without experience. Okay, so this is an example. I want you to think of let's have a very quick activity. This is just a 2-minute activity, guys. So I want you to think of a very strong or compelling headlines for your client under the the hotel industry or staycation industry. And then you have to create a very strong headline. The formula that you will be using is result, time frame, and target audience. Okay? So sino yung result natin? And the campaign is for Valentine's. Okay? Can I see any comments there? I'll give you example, okay? So for the result, ayan, ano yung magiging result natin? Wait, let me try to think. Okay? Wait lang. Magpa-help na tayo. Creating about a staycation hotel industry with a formula of ano yung formula? Result plus gamitin niyo yung time natin guys, resources natin. Time frame plus target audience. Okay, there we go. My example here, may mga example na ba? You occupy. Ano ba yan, Ivan? You occupy my heart daw. Okay, ano ba yan? Okay, we have here headlines. This is an example, okay? Relax and recharge in just weekend. The perfect staycation for busy professionals. Oh, 'di ba? Tumingin ka ako as a busy professional, talagang mapapa-click ako nito. Uy, maganda 'to, ayan. Escape stress in 24 hours. A luxury staycation designed for city couples. Oh, 'di ba? Hindi nyo kaya, ayan, ayan. Sana yung mga entry ninyo, ayan. A cozy Instagrammable Valentine's staycation tonight for couples who love aesthetic dates. Oy, very good. Ayan, very good, Claire. Ayan, wala na kayo ay sorry, no for Nobo. Valentine's today to be yours tomorrow. Come and find out here in Hotel 101. Okay, there you go. Ano pa, wala na bang iba? Ayan. So baka mag-figure out nyo, saan ba galing yan? Bakit ang bilis nila naka-comment? Ayan. Guys, actually, andito lang kami kay ChatGPT. Andito lang kami kay ChatGPT, guys. As you can see, wala talaga tayong ginagawa ng mga extraordinary dito. Get a free buffet dinner for two when you book our queen room. All right. Next is turn one weekend into a love story, a Valentine's vacation for married couple. O yan, ganda ha. Ganda ng mga entries ninyo. Turn your tired days into a tropical memories. A sweet Valentine's escape in 24 hours for couples who want more than just dinner. Bakit, Claire? Ano pang gusto nila? Bakit more than just dinner? Okay? Ano yung dopamine? Dopamine ba yan? Wait lang search natin. Ano yung dopamine? For the sake of those who doesn't know also. Chemical in your brain that helps you. Okay. All right. Okay, so focus pala. Skip the Valentine crowd, not the romance. Valentine's Day staycation designed for lovers. Okay, so ayan. So those are example of the headlines, guys. Oh, ayan pala, marunong na kayo. Gumawa na kayo ng funnel. No need to go further na pala dito. Alam niyo na. So as you can see, here in our compelling headline, talagang parang head turner na siya, 'di ba? So this is like actually a perfume. Perfect na perfect kasi I have a perfume here. Check the link on my yellow basket. Charot, wala akong yellow basket nito. Bakit hindi siya na ano ng camera ko? Ewan ko, ang pangit na talaga nitong ano ko. And so this is a perfume. So if you have a very good perfume, okay, if you're using a very strong perfume, sometimes na head turner tayo. Sometimes parang na-headline tayo, di ba? This is actually the first structure of a funnel. Okay, our main goal in this first structure of a funnel is to let people pause. Okay, wait, stop. Ayan. Basahin mo to. Pakinggan mo ako. Ganito. Okay, so that is actually one of the purpose here in our first step is talagang mapapa-head turner ka. Okay? Kasi paano kung yung headline mo, book our hotel now, very affordable. 'Di ba? Although it's straightforward, yes, pero what's making it unique? Okay, what's in it? Bakit ako magbo-book sa hotel mo? Yes, okay, affordable yung hotel mo, pero ano yung makukuha ko? Pwede naman ako mag-book sa like let's say Shangri-La, pwede naman ako mag-book sa J Park, pwede naman ako mag-book sa ganito. Bakit sa hotel niyo? Anong meron sa hotel ninyo? Okay, there's nothing extraordinary na talagang mapapaisip ka, ay oo nga pala, parang kailangan ko 'to. Deserve ko 'to. Ayan, 'di ba? Or sometimes going back para mabuhayan naman kayo, yung mga marites-marites na issue na 'yan, 'di ba? We have those marites-marites issues wherein oo nga pala, nagiging head turner yung mga taong gumagawa ng ingay, yung mga issue, okay? Yung mga may issue, nagiging head turner sila. So this is what the goal here in sales funnel or first structure means. Nin said, more like copywriting coach. Tama ba? Yes, tama. Okay, that's actually correct. That's actually very, very true. Having a correct write up. Okay? So let's go back to our screen. Ayan, so at least guys baka if you are wondering, coach, paano nyo ginagawa yung mga headliner na yan? We were actually just in ChatGPT. Ayan, don't worry, I have a structure ready for you and you will be getting that in our next session. Okay, next, confirm and guide next step. So there should be a thank you page. Okay, so thank you page natin, it should confirm the action taken and guide users on what to expect next. So like checking their email or joining a group. Okay? So after nilang after natin makuha yung attention nila, like for example, yung email nila and yung contact information nila, 'di ba we promised something, kaya talaga nag-encode sila ng mga details nila. So we also have to make sure that that promise, that something is mabibigay talaga natin 'yan. Kasi if we fail to give that to them, then of course, we are breaking our trust. Hindi na sila mapupunta talaga sa next step. I mean next step or next goal natin, which is actually um purchasing something. Okay? So, again, maglalagay ka lang ng thank you page like, thank you so much for your interest, ganito. Your 50% off voucher has been sent to your email. Please make sure to check your spam and promotions as there might be a tendency na talagang maaano siya. It might be sent there. Okay, so you will be leading them. And the next one here is nurturing leads. Okay, so we will be creating, we will be creating an email automation so that mainis yung mga clients or yung mga tao na nag-register. Na hindi mainis in a bad way, but of course in a good way, wherein we try to convince them to write things here in email. Okay? Yes, Lawrence, did you raise your hand? Do you have any question or na ano lang? Yes, Lawrence, go ahead. Okay, sige. So, again, this is a ines in a good way wherein talagang parang okay, sige. Kung hindi natin nakuha yung target natin in our first approach, may second approach pa yan, may third approach pa yan, may fourth approach pa yan, hanggang sa may fifth approach na yan. So there is actually a parang reminding them na, huy, mag-join ka na, huy, mag-avail ka na, sayang yung ating 50% off, something na mga ganyan. Okay, para lang yung nanliligaw kayo, 'di ba? O, dito naman tayo sa pagliligaw. Sometimes, kapag may bet tayo na tao, hindi natin sila nakukuha sa first meet pa lang, 'di ba? Of course, sa first meeting natin, hindi naman talaga natin sila maaakit. So sometimes ina-ask pa natin sila ng date, ayan. So sa first date, hindi pa rin talaga siya nag-work. Magsa-second date na naman kayo hanggang sa naubos na yung pera ninyo, okay? So hanggang sa naubos na yung pera ninyo, pero napasagot niyo yung tao na 'yan. Okay? That is actually the mirror, aray ko. That is actually the mirror of sales funnel. We try to give them a lot of like effort na mag-email tayo sa kanila, reminding them about this and that, making sure that they feel exclusive, they feel the essence na uy, importante ka sa amin, ganito ganyan. Okay? And then to make sure na talagang important sila. Okay? Uy, important ka sa akin. Uy, you are a valuable person to me. Okay? But at the end, okay, we have a goal here. Okay? It's not actually hindi naman tayo nagloloko sa kanila because we are not fooling them. Okay? They know from the start that we are offering something. Okay? They are offering something. So, ayan, pero kung manloloko na kayo guys, ibang story na yan. Okay? You don't use funnel to fool out people. Okay? So, this is how you will be creating a simple lead magnet funnel in System.io. So System.io is the platform that we will be using. Okay, System.io will be the platform that we will be using for us to create our funnel. Now, if you will be asking, Coach, bakit System.io? Bakit hindi Go High Level? Sino dito yung nakarinig na about Go High Level? Excuse me lang guys. Okay, so System.io and GHL has actually the same goal. Pero bakit System.io talaga yung pinupursue namin sa mga beginners? It is simply because System.io, okay, System.io is free. Okay, may libre po siya. Pero may subscription din siya for, let's say, kung may mga client na kayo in the future, guys, you have to subscribe. Pero sometimes, sinasama na natin yan sa billing natin. But again, don't worry because it will be part of one of our 4 sessions. Okay, so sometimes sinasama na natin yan sa bill natin sa client natin. It's just I think 700 plus or 800 plus per month. So isasama na natin yan sa bill natin yan ni client. Okay, so this is an overview of how we will be creating that one. So again, system.io I'll be showing you later. Next is we will be navigating to funnel tabs, and then you have to choose your goal. Okay, you have to choose your goal. What is your goal? Yung goal mo ba is magbebenta ka na kaagad? Or yung funnel na gagawin mo is just to get a lead? And yan yung first na gagawin natin. Okay? By next week, we will be discussing on how to create the lead funnel already. Alright? And then edit the landing page. Here in our landing page, guys, you have to customize it. Again, there will be a proper way for you to create a landing page, and that will be discussed also in our next discussion. And of course, connect to email campaign, which is the next step here. Okay, how to create an email automation essential. Okay, so I wanted to focus here first so you better understand what does email marketing or email sequencing mean. Okay, so in email nurturing, guys, it actually involves sending targeted message to build relationship with leads. Okay, where do we get our leads once again? Okay, where do we get our leads? Tignan natin kung nakinig kayo kanina, guys. Where did you get our leads from? Social media? Hindi. We are already here in sales funnel. Saan natin nakukuha? I mean, we are already here in the funnel. Saan natin nakukuha yung mga leads natin? Under what step natin yun na nakukuha? Step 1. Okay, correct. Okay, we actually get our leads in our lead gen funnel or in our lead magnet. Kung saan humihingi tayo ng email, humihingi tayo ng contact number or contact information. Alright, so that is our leads. And of course, it helps maintain engagement and guide them through the sales funnel effectively. So later on, kung nakasend na tayo ng email, ayan, ililid na natin sila or ida-direct na natin sila sa sales funnel na ginawa natin. So again, para hindi kayo ma-confused, guys, first is that we create our lead magnet or our lead funnel. In our lead magnet or in our lead funnel, dito tayo kumukuha, dito tayo nagka-capture ng details of a person in return to a specific freebie. Okay? In return to something na valuable to them. Kaya sila nagbibigay sa atin ng information or data about them kasi may ini-expect sila sa atin in return. Okay? We expect them in return. So that's actually one reality. So that's the first step. Our next step here is actually to ano yung next step natin? After nila mag-register or magbigay ng mga details nila sa lead gen natin, what will they be getting? I mean, not yet the email sequence, yung may instructions, yung what's the next step before sila maka-receive ng email sequence. And let's see. First is, of course, lead magnet, confirmation page, or what do we call that one? Okay, lead magnet or lead funnel. The next one is the confirmation page, correct? But it's all, ayan, commonly known as the thank you page. So yung swerte talaga na makakagrupo nito nilang Mary Claire, nilang Lawrence, nilang Boo, ayan, nilang Ayan, ayan, ano-ano na kayo, guys. Pero what if, di ba, magkasama sila sa isang grupo. Kung magkasama sila sa isang grupo, kasi random yung groupings namin, guys, ha. Ayan, random yung groupings namin. So, ayan, if ever magkasama sila, guys, namin sila, ida-dissect namin sila. Okay, ayan. So, para talaga kayo, mag-guide pa rin kayo. Next, importance of follow-up. So, following up increases conversion rates by 30%. Consistent communication keeps your brand top of the mind and encourage potential customer to take action. Ang ingay talaga nito, GBA, palagi na lang dumadaan sa FYP ko. O, 'di ba? Something na ganyan. Ang ingay talaga nito ni Coach Jer, palagi siyang dumadaan sa FYP ko. Sige na nga, mag-enroll na ako. Legit naman siguro tong taong to. O, 'di ba? Something ganyan. It's actually the same with an email. Bakit palagi itong pumapop up sa email ko? Ano ba talaga yung in-offer nila? Okay? So that's one thing. One thing na goal natin dito. Next is basic 5 email sequence. So this is a simple sequence. This includes a welcome email, your story, value email, case study, testimonials, and an offer. So this structure builds trust and drives conversion. So ito yung 5 klaseng email na pwede nating i-send out sa mga nag-register or sa mga leads natin. All right? Now, we're almost done here in our overview. Ayan, I'm getting excited for our activity. So for our key elements here is that first we have to identify the audience problem. Again, not everyone is your cup of tea. Diba? Ayan. Ang ibig sabihin yan, hindi po lahat ng tao is customer nyo or client ninyo. Okay, you have to identify kung sino lang ba yung target market ninyo. Kasi kung general kayo masyado mag-market, trust me guys, it's 100,000 more difficult. Okay, 100,000 more difficult than giving out or anong tawag nito, than showing them to the right people or right audience. Okay, imagine ninyo, nagbebenta kayo ng ano ba, let's be very very specific. I want to be very specific. Oh, let's say for example, nagbebenta kayo ng mga sapatos, okay? You are selling a golden goose na shoes. Are you familiar with golden golden retriever? You're selling golden goose na shoes. Ayan, so I actually want one. Ayan, kapag mayaman na tayo, bibili tayo niyan. So imagine if you will market it to the people na ano lang, hindi ko naman I'm not discriminating, guys. I'm not discriminating, but I just want to give a very clear overview for you to understand. You're trying to sell eto na lang, LV bag na lang. Okay, LV bag. You're trying to sell an LV bag or Louis Vuitton bag to a student in a public school. Okay? And again, I'm not discriminating. Let's just actually take a look at the overview. You're trying to market an LV bag to an high school student in a public school. Okay? Although marami talagang mga mayaman dyan sa mga public school na yan, but just to give a clear view. Do you think makakabenta ka doon? Okay, let's say for example, there's this high school or public school na may event sila. Okay? Merong event yung public school na yan. Tapos nag-invite kayo ng mga booths. Ayun. Tapos ikaw na-invite ka. Or you can actually set up your booth here. So, since magarbo kang tao, ayan, yung mga products mo is yung mga LV na bags, yung mga Dior na bag, yung mga Coco Chanel o yung mga Chanel na mga bag, nag-display ka dun sa isang high school na paaralan, and it is also a public school. Do you think makakakuha ka ng sales? Isang bag 300,000, isang bag 250,000, kung may mura naman talaga nasa 100 or 5 digits pa rin. 'Di ba hindi? At napakahirap kahit pa siguro buong araw ka diyan magtatalak-talak, mahihirapan ka talaga. Okay, wa jud kay halin, makauli kag kauli nga buhi. Fishball na lang, 'di ba? Correct, tama. So you are actually barking at the wrong people. Kahit anong gawin mo diyan, hindi ka po talaga makakabenta. Okay? Not unless, okay, you sell your luxury bags into, like, let's say a 5-star hotel. Okay? You sell your products, like for example, if you're in Cebu, yes, you sell the products in New Star. you sell those products in a five-star hotel. 'Di ba? Of course, sa BGC, tama, sa BGC if you are somewhere in Luzon. Of course, there is a high chance na magkakaroon ka ng sales. Because again, the people that who will go to New Star, I mean not all, okay? They are not discriminating also or to BGC or to Okada, for example, are people who can afford. Okay? Ilang ilang thousands ba yun per night? So meaning, they are still capable of purchasing that one. Okay? So you will only be marketing your product to the right audience. Okay? Wag po nating ipilit. Alright? So here in our key elements, we should identify the problem of our audience. Ano ba yung problema ng mga audience natin? We try to understand the specific challenge our audience faces. Okay? So how do we do that? One, eto na, this is a type of content. It always go back to social media management. So we try to give surveys or social media insights to gather the data on their pain points and need. Okay? So if we are offering a product, dun, let us go back dun sa mga hotels na minention natin, staycation, ano nga ba yung problem na na-face nila? Okay, so as I have seen there on your answers, para sa mga tired na mga tao, para sa mga busy professionals. Okay, again, those are the different kinds. Those are the different kinds of problems that what do you call this, different kinds of problems that we want to resolve sa kanila. We want to relate with them. Okay, kahit medyo kaunti na lang yung market natin, at least it's specific. Okay, mas makakakuha tayo ng audience once it is very specific. Now create an urgency. You make a problem by highlighting the consequence of their in action. So for example, kung hindi ka magpapahinga, tatagos ka na sa pader. O, 'di ba? Ayan. Very straightforward, okay? So, if hindi ka magpapahinga, tatagos ka talaga sa pader. So that's actually a problem. Okay? So but sometimes masasabi natin sa sarili natin, oo nga no, kung hindi ako magpapahinga, baka tatagos na lang talaga ako sa pader. Okay? So that gives me actually a second thought na, ay, sige, magpapahinga na lang ako. Kasi kung hindi ako magpapahinga, ayan, baka magpapahinga na talaga ako, pero hindi naman din ako makakagising na rin. Okay? So another more professional one is 70% of consumer prefer urgent offers to emphasize urgency. Okay? Sino dito yung guilty? Last day of our sale today. Okay? Last day of our sale today. Make sure to register right now. Okay? Valentine's Day special. Okay? Avail our room for one night and get another night for 50% off. And hindi mo alam na yung price na binayaran mo for one night, kasama na pala yung kalahati ng second night mo. Alright? Sino dito yung mga nabubudol din sa mga ganyan? Yung mga may sense of urgency? Okay, sino dito yung may mga sense of urgency talaga na, ay Diyos ko, sayang kasi yung sale. Ayan, sayang yung sale natin. So if hindi ko to kukunin, ayan, last 3 seats remaining. Diba, guilty? Ako din, ganyan din ako. Sayang din kasi yung sale. Babilhin natin to kasi naka-sale siya today. Right? So that's actually one key element. And then present a clear solution. So we have to clearly outline our solutions, benefit, use bullet points to list the feature and how they directly address audience problem, enhance clarity. Okay, so once you will avail our promo, you will be getting this, and this. Okay, ito yung makukuha mo. A, B, C, and D. So talagang okay. So pag mag-a-avail ako, makaka-relax ako, makakagamit ako ng free paddleboard nila, may free jet ski, o di ba? Sana all may free jet ski. So again, yan yung o di ba sa GBA last 10 na lang ba? O kasi sa GBA guys, we only offer 10 to 15 slots per live namin. So ayun. So nakuha namin, may iba nakuha din talaga namin sa last 10. Kasi after ng send, nag-send tuloy agad ako ng payment. Ayun. So, ayan. Sabi ni Coach 15 daw sa SMM ngayon, surprise. Ay ano, hindi. Kasama na kasi yung ano, first batch din. First batch natin. Okay, so this is already the second batch. Okay, so ayun. So again, guys, it is actually a there's an urgency, and then of course you have to present a very very close ano. Tapos 300 plus nasa channel. Hoy, per day kasi yon yung ano namin, yung promotion namin or yung sales yung sale namin. Ayan. Okay? Another, na-scam sorry guys, na-scam ko pala kayo. So effective pala yung ginawa namin na ano, na funnel na ano. Anong tawag nito? Panindigan mo yan, coach. Panindigan talaga namin to. So dapat you will learn from me talaga, guys. Paninindigan nyo to and dapat you will really learn from us. Ayan, so ibig sabihin yan, nasa tamang lugar talaga kayo. Okay? Effective talaga yung urgency. Yes, correct. Effective talaga yung urgency. Okay? Now, you should also include some testimonials on your what do you call this, on your funnel. So that is why also, guys, I really really need your help. I really really need your testimonials because it will really really help. Okay, it will really really help. And this is also business. Okay, so again, you will relate once na magtatrabaho na din po kayo. All right, next, you have to have a strong call to action. Dapat eto na yung, kung may strong headline kayo kanina, dapat may strong call to action kayo. Now, I want you to comment down below. Okay, I want you to comment down below a very strong call to action related dun sa ating first na ginawa, which is the headline. Okay, the headline was about ano? The headline was about the staycation for Valentine's. Now, give me very very strong call to action. Correct. Book a discovery call. What else? Scarcity marketing, tatandaan ko to. Yes, scarcity marketing. Correct. Give me a strong call to action, guys. Correct. Book now. Limited slots available. What else? Book your romantic escape now. 3 slots remaining. Book now. Okay? Claim your spot now. All right. Very good. So those are some strong call to action which actually urges people. Okay? Very good. Ayan. Isa na naman to sa mga candidates natin. O, diba? And okay guys, so I think you don't need to worry kasi alam ko yung iba dito, tahimik lang talaga sila, but they're able to they are able to anong tawag nito, nakaka-perform din naman sila. Okay? Ayan, so visualizing success on a sales funnel. So this visual showcase success sales funnel created System.io. It will highlight key metrics like lead conversion. Ayan. So how will we identify if our sales funnel is successful? One is that we are able to create a lead magnet. Second is that we have engagement. Third is that we inspire others to push through or to move to the next steps already. Okay? May question pala ako na gustong sagutin dito, guys. Sorry, I actually missed this question. Asan ba yun? I think it was Boo. Regarding dun sa pwede ba Google Sheets, coach, para paglagay ng contact sa potential customer? Yes, you can actually do that, but with the funnel that we will be using, website, which is System.io, you don't need. Okay, kasi kasama na yan sa system. All right, it's already included in the system. Okay, so this is actually the overview of our sales funnel. And now, these are some commonly asked questions that we have gathered dun sa batch 1 namin na sales funnel creation. First is, what if I have no experience with funnel? Guys, don't worry because System.io is really designed for beginners. Okay? Kaya talaga we also chose System.io kasi it's a beginners friendly platform. All right? Now, how long will I see the result? Actually, nakadepende yan sa inyo. Okay, nakadepende yan sa inyo. Kaya I really created this bootcamp para ma-outline ninyo. You will be able to identify also the pacing of your, the pacing of your learning progress. So can I use System.io for free? Absolutely, guys. System.io is definitely free. Ayan, so what are the best practices for social media marketing? Again, focus on engagement. Focus on creating a content. being consistent. Okay? Being consistent. And of course, interact with your audience to build relationship. Okay? That's our goal. Now, I will be showing you system.io and system.io. Wait. Let me just share it with you. I will be creating a new anong tawag nito? I'll be creating a new um wait. Can you see my screen now, guys? All right. So I'll be creating a new system.io para anong tawag nito? Para free lang din siya. So this is what system.io looks like. I will be sharing you the link later on also. Now you can start for free. Ayan, just click on free. And then i-add nyo lang yung email nyo dito. Let's just say for example, no. Ayan. Okay, so let us just check our inbox. Guys, if magsa-subscribe kayo, something na mga ganito, please make sure, alright, please make sure to check your spam, to check your promotions, kasi it will most probably be shared there. Alright, so we have it here, anong tawag nito? Details. Okay, so let's just encode this first. Wait lang, of course, hindi ko ipapakita sa inyo yung password na gagamitin ko. Okay, there you go. Then let's just click on save. And then you will be able to see your dashboard. Now, to answer Boo's question here, dito nyo po makikita yung leads na ginawa ninyo. Okay, here also on system.io, you will be able to see here under CRM the contacts. So here in the contacts, guys, dito nyo makikita lahat-lahat ng mga tao na nag-sign up sa lead ninyo. So this will be your potential lead already. Okay, I will just show you a quick walkthrough on this one. But again, in our upcoming sessions, guys, I will be showing you step by step also on how to create. So again, this is the home page. Ayan. So if you want to upgrade, these are their upgrade fee. Okay, so we have the startup, $17 per month. We also have the webinar, which is 47 per month. Okay. All right. So we have it here. Ayan. So we have the startup $17 per month. So as you can see, the free plan instead of the 5,000, 2,000 lang yung makukuha mo. For the sales funnel naman, you can create up to 3 different kinds of sales funnel. For the steps naman, 15 out of 30 para sa startup. And sa iba, 111, ayan. Okay, these are just the difference. So meaning you can already really start with just a free plan. Okay, here on the dashboard, guys, makikita nyo dito yung main dashboard natin. Again, please disregard affiliate dashboard. We cannot relate to this one yet, okay? I want to disregard. This is irrelevant to what we are offering right now. Next is the CRM. So when we say CRM, this is like the place where you can see the contacts, the tags that you have created, some pipelines, and your calendar, okay? Next is the site. So dito nyo makikita yung mga websites, dito nyo makikita yung what do you call this? Sales funnel, yung ginawa ninyo na funnel, dito nyo makikita yung mga this is something irrelevant, this is also irrelevant, yung website irrelevant din yan. Sa totoong buhay na yung hindi, I am not using I am not using a paid account also. I'm only using a free one. Okay? You will only be needing a premium system.io if you are already working with a client pero hindi kayo yung magbabayad ng subscription. It will be the client. Okay? Yung client yung magbabayad ng subscription. Okay? But once you will be creating your own funnel, hindi po kayo babayad. Okay? Now, sa email, this is where our email series will take place. But again, don't worry, we have a specific topic on that one. So I just want you to be familiarized para kung I will tell you, all right, let's go to newsletters. Alam nyo na kung saan siya hahanapin. Okay, let's start working with our campaign. Ayan, alam nyo na kung saan siya hanapin. SMS, guys, this is actually right now irrelevant to us because they are more focused on US or international. Okay? Automation. So, yung mga workflows natin. Oops, sorry, guys. Yung mga automations natin, yung mga ginagawa natin na mga flow, just like filtering on inbox management. May access po ba si client dyan? Yes, meron. Okay, your client will be having an access here. And then next year will be assets. Okay, so these are, again, as of now, these are irrelevant. Okay, these are irrelevant to you, as well as the sales. Right now, guys, these are irrelevant to you. So what is relevant to you right now is the dashboard, the CRM under the contacts, and the sites, which is the sales funnel. So once you click on sales funnel, zero pa siya ngayon kasi wala pa naman talaga kayong nagawa. Okay? And again, don't worry again here because I will be discussing this in our next topic natin yan or next session natin yan. Okay? So basically, that's the overview of our sales funnel. Now, let us discuss already your activity here in our bootcamp. Okay? Now, I will try to give you, or I will actually send you into a breakout room. Okay, so we're actually how many are we today? 30, tapos excluding me, Rhea. So I think you will be 5 in the group. Okay, you will be 5 in the group. If ever sa mga nanonood po ng replay dito, you have to, what do you call this? You have to create a group, ayan, or anong tawag nito? We will be grouping you sa mga hindi po nakasali dito. We will be grouping you also here for your groupings, pero yan lang yung naka-disadvantage once you did not attend our training today. Okay? But again, we will still be assisting you, don't worry. So guys, ayan, I will be grouping you into 5. Okay, I will be grouping you into 5. And then, okay, wait lang ha. Let me just see. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll be removing Rhea. May iba, guys, na 5 kayo, may iba naman na 4. Now, if 4 lang kayo sa group ninyo, you can actually get 1 from the or wait lang ha. Let me I'm actually taking a look at kasi baka magkagrupo yung mga yung na-mention ko kanina. Okay. We have breakout room 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think one breakout room will consist of 6. Ayan, may isang breakout room na nag-consist of 6. So that's okay. Ayan, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay, ayan. So now this will be your groupings. I will be giving you 15 minutes to brainstorm, to nominate talaga, to nominate a leader or a point person, and this point person will be my point person for like questions, for clarifications, ganyan. They can have a one-on-one with me for the progress of their outputs. Okay, now what will happen in the upcoming weeks? Now, for next week, all right, please take note of this. For next week, we will be having first weekly check-in. Okay, so that will be on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, that's Saturday and Sunday, and that is from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Okay, again, that is from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. So that is the time wherein we will be having our first and second check-in. Now, I will still be discussing about sales funnel, okay? I will still be discussing about sales funnel, like one topic, another topic. And then of course, in your group, guys, what I want you to do is, if mas madali sa inyo na sa Messenger kayo magko-collaborate, okay? If sa Messenger po kayo magko-collaborate, then you can create your own group chat in Messenger. Okay? Ayan. So now, for our first activity, okay, you have to create your own social media page per group. Okay? Again, you have to create your own social media management page per group. Now, it's very important that you will be able to classify a point person, because we will be the one who will assign a mock client for you or an industry for you. For example, for the group of, let's say, for example, for the group of Ma'am Ariane, we will be providing you an industry under um, food and beverages. Okay? So when I say food and beverage, nakadepende na yan sa inyo kung anong klase yung gagawin ninyo na for example, funnel. Okay? Let's say for example, anong tawag nito? Burger ba, ganyan. But to be more realistic, guys, I want you to think of yourself as a startup business owners. Okay? And you are actually creating a group or an agency for your VA service. Okay? Ayan. So our goal here is to create a page. Okay, eto na lang para mas madali nyo maano. Your assignment or your task is you will be creating a Facebook page offering your virtual assistant service. Okay? Dapat gumawa kayo ng pangalan. Like for example, the 5-star, wag yung 5-star VA, sorry, that's already an agency pala. Like your top tier virtual assistants, virtual assistant angels, o Charlie's Angels, kasi si Charlie yung leader ninyo. Okay? So gagawa kayo ng Facebook page about Charlie's virtual assistant. Okay? And you have to create a 1 week, okay, 1 week content about your service. Okay? Ayan, 1 week content na gagawin niyo. Now, you will be applying everything that you have learned in our social media management. Okay? So, for example, yung una nating ginawa kanina, I mean, yung diniscuss natin, guys, use your content calendar. Ayan, gumamit po kayo ng different kinds of anong tawag nito? Different kinds of content. We have the educational, promotional, mga memes. Okay? You collaborate with each other. April, ikaw yung gagawa sa content ng Monday, April. Errol, ikaw naman yung gagawa sa Tuesday. Ayan, ikaw yung gagawa sa Wednesday. Tapos yung gagawin mo, Ayan, is something about promotional content, about virtual assistant. Ikaw naman, Mary Claire, gagawa ka sa Friday. You will be creating a video about what social media, what virtual assistant is, ano yung ma-offer natin. Okay, dito naman, Boo, ikaw yung gagawa nito, ikaw yung gagawa niyan, ikaw gumawa ng creatives ha, ganito. Okay, now I want you to do that one. Okay, I want you to do that one because it's very, very important and you have to brainstorm. Now, I will be giving you 15 minutes. Okay, I will be giving you 15 minutes or what do you call this? 15 or 20. Let's just I'll give you 20 minutes para we can end at 3:30 today. I'll give you 20 minutes for you, okay, to brainstorm, get to know each other, getting to know each other po kayo niyan. Ayan. And then I will try to get inside the room time to time to check in with you. Okay? So again, this is whole random, pero guys, I made sure that those people who are reliable, tinignan ko talaga per breakout room. Meron naman talaga. Because again, I really specified in our GVA, nung nag-market pa lang ako nitong sales funnel, I need people who are committed. Okay? I need people who can commit to this. If you cannot commit to this, guys, sabihan nyo na lang yung groupmates ninyo. Okay? Na, actually, guys, wala lang. Nag-aksaya lang ako ng 599. Ayan. So, gusto ko lang na may may matutunan. Wala lang akong plano, guys. Ayan. Para at least ma-notify sila, makahanap kami ng ibang kapalit. Okay? Um all right, so I'll be opening your rooms, guys. I will be gathering you all again. I'll be gathering you all later again, mga 3:23. So get to know each other ha. Walang maghihiya-hiya dito, guys. Now is the time for you to get to know each other. Okay, so ayan, good luck and enjoy everyone. So again, your deliverables is one to create your what do you call this, to ano tawag nito, nominate your point person. Ayan, get to know each other. Mag-brainstorm na kayo, guys, on how do you want to know each other, how do you want to contact, gagawa na ba kayo ng GC ninyo, gagawa na ba kayo ng group ninyo, mag-brainstorm na kayo kung ano yung color palette, ano yung approach na gagawin ninyo. All right, I want you to think of it right now in the 20 minutes that I will be giving you. All right, make use of the time. All right, make use of your time. And then ayan. All right, I will be opening the groupings right now. Thank you. You should be directed already in your breakout rooms. Kaya mag-join na kayo sa breakout rooms ninyo. May makikita po kayo diyang invitation. Okay, Chari, Daniel, Grace, Mia, and Nins, go na kayo. Mag-join na kayo sa breakout rooms ninyo. I think breakout room is complete. Breakout room 1. Ayan, si Grace, ayun. Okay, they are already in. Rhea, what's your question? Tayo na lang dalawa yung dito. Ivan! Asan ba si Ivan? Dito ba si Ivan? Bakit ka nandito? Huwag ka na dito sa ano. Ivan, are you already in ano, in the breakout room 3? Rhea, may question ka? Andun lang siya, naara si Ivan sa kuan, naara si Ivan sa Pikas group. I don't know, baka naka-multiple ano siya, multiple device. Maririnig nila 'to kaya hi everyone. Is my audio okay? Naka-noise reduction ba siya? Kasi naka-mic ako ngayon. Oh, 'di ba hindi niya kinaya. Much better siya compared to yesterday. Na all my mic daw. Ayan, so ay okay. So, if I want to sing guys, I'll sing a song for you. Oh, 'di ba may pa-echo-echo. So far, okay, so far this is my ano, this is my bakit hindi kita ma-co-host dito? Di ko alam kung bakit hindi kita ma-co-host, Rhea. Sa gusto mong mag-join-join sa kanilang ano. Can you see the breakout rooms? Maybe we want to join or to hop into the different kinds of groups. Ay, hindi pala puwede. You can't update the moderation ano, when you are okay. Kasi hindi pala siya ma-update dapat ano. So, so far ha, ayan, yung yung group 5 sila yung hindi nag-ano, sila yung hindi pa masyado nag-uusap. Nagdadalawang nagtutulakan pa sila. So, I think I'll go back in 3:25, ayun. So, nagtutulakan pa sila kung sino yung magiging ano. Anyways, it's okay. I'm happy with the progress of different groupings. So, for those who are watching the replay, ayan, we will be sending your groupings through Discord. So please make sure to be updated on Discord as well as on your email because we will be anong tawag nito? You will be ano man tawag nito? You will be ewan ko, hindi ko alam kung ano yung sasabihin ko. You will be having your own group. So pero if you wish to work individually, ayan, pwedeng-pwede din naman talaga. But let's see, mas maganda kasi kapag you are working as a group or if you have any questions, may matanungan pa kayo. Ako'y headset for PC, i-order na, uy, unsa may paabot nimo? So may gipaabot nimo? I know what you want from sulod sa ko balik sa ilahang ay murag naman ni timer. Kwarta. Ah, sumukasunod. Can we pause the recording? Hindi puwede i-pause. So, I'll see them again at 3:30. What's wrong? Okay, so ang question unsaon ni pag-end ang breakout rooms. Okay, so ma-close na nato ang rooms and close rooms. Okay. So Okay. We're slowly going back. You're slowly back, guys. Tayin na natin yung iba. I think we're good. Are we complete already? Let me see. O yan, 24 pa tayo dito. 25, 26, 27. Yes, Rhea, correct. Tapos lagyan mo ng i-pre-grouping mo siya, Rhea. Let's pero like for example, group 1 names, tapos group 2 ganyan. Okay, I think so hindi pa tayo complete. Why are we still 27? Sino pa yung mga wala pa sa main call? 27. Okay, I think we're already here. So how was it? Ayan, how was it? Okay, we have here, what do you call this? We have here, thank you group mates, that was a good discussion. Alam nyo ba guys, naka-make na ba kayo naka-make na ba kayo ng, anong tawag nito? Ng point person. Okay, wait. For group, breakout 1 or group 1, we have, Arian, Daniel, it's just Iligan, or let's just Iligan. Lenny, we also have Mary Grace. Sino sino dito yung ano ninyo? Sino dito yung leader ninyo?
Si Arian, coach.
Okay, we have here Arian. Oh, na ano na talaga. So, were you able to create a group chat already?
Yes po.
Okay, very good. Now for breakout room 2 or group 2, we have April, Errol, Grace, Janus, and JB. Sino dito yung leader ninyo?
Si Janus po.
Okay, si Janus na wala nang choice. Na-nominate po bigla. All right, next. Wait lang guys, ha? Next is we have break room 3. We have Chari, Chin, Ayan, Ivan, May, and Nins. Kasi bakit nakasana all to, Nins? Parang hindi pa kayo nag-usap kanina, ha?
Kaya at least may group
Ma'am
chat
Chari
na kami, coach.
Okay. May progress na. May group chat. May GC na. Doon na kayo magbardagulan, ha? Ayan. Okay. So, sino nga yung ano ninyo? Yung point person ninyo dito sa group 3 natin?
Si
si Ma'am
Charlie.
Chari po.
Okay. We have Chari. Alright, so for breakout 5, we have, eto guys, matagal din talaga to sila nakapag-start. We have John Michael, we have Mary Claire, Precious, Rina, and Ronald. Ayan, tawang-tawa si Precious. So I think si Mary Claire, kasi ako na yung nag-initiate dito, tama ba? Okay na, may GC. May GC na sila. Okay, so am I right? Or baka napalitan nyo yung point person ninyo?
Ako na po, ma'am.
Ikaw na talaga. Sabi ni Ronald, team introvert. Hoy, wag magngangalan ng introvert VA ha. Diyos ko, baka walang mag-hire sa inyo niyan. Kayo talaga bahala. Alright, last but not the least, we have Diane, Hazel, Mia, Nobo, and Lawrence for breakout 6. I think this is Nobo or Boo for the...
Nobo.
Okay, so Nobo. All right. So ayan. So how was the experience, guys, sa ating first breakout room? And so this will be your mga kakampi or kaaway in the This will be your kakampi or your kaaway in the future. Okay? So nakakaba, wag kayong kabahan. It's actually normal. Okay, it's nice to work with a group, ayan. Because again, this is just our activity. This will better help you. This will push you, 'di ba? Mahiya naman kayo sa groupmates ninyo kung wala kayong ambag, 'di ba? It is not just a 1 week na 1 week work lang. Okay? What I want you to do for this first week is of course to work on your logo, work on your color palette, ayan, work on first few posts for the entire week, okay? So, ayan, I want you to give me a progress by the end of week. Now, for all of the point person, you can actually, I mean, everyone can still contact me. Pero kasi, baka malito na ako, anong group nga ba to? Okay, parang na-address ko na to. Ganito, ganyan. Okay, so I want you guys to tell your point person to contact me directly through Discord or Rhea if you have any questions. Okay, so again, our main goal here is dapat, okay, you take note of this, leader. These are your checklist. So first, I will be needing this by Saturday. I need to check an output by Saturday. Magagalit talaga ako ha pag wala kayo nito. So first is, of course, you should be having your Facebook page already. So when I say Facebook page, kasama na yan, may logo na kayo, may branding na kayo, may brand board na kayo. And you should also be able to give me at least 3 to 5 posts already for this week. Okay? You should have 3 to 5 posts already for this week. And I want you to give emphasize also about your team. Like, how was your team doing? Nag-contribute ba talaga lahat? Or pwede nyo sabihin, Coach, si Nins, hindi po siya nag-participate. Coach, Coach, si Ronald, wala talaga siyang inambag, Coach. Tagaluto lang talaga siya ng pancit canton. Tagaluto lang siya ng virtual pancit canton, Coach. O, diba? Ayan. So, at least I can call out Ronald. Ronald, bakit ka nagluluto ng pancit canton? I-grab mo na lang yan sa kanila para may ambag ka, may grading system ka pa rin. O, diba? Tumatawa kayo, guys. Nakaka-relate kayo dito. O, diba? So, again, just let me know kung nahihiya kayo na because again, at the first place, guys, nag-commit kayo nito. Alright? Nag-commit kayo nito. Kaya wala kayong choice. I will be forcing you to do your best. Okay? Kasi again, nag-invest na kayo, guys. Hindi biro yung binayad ninyo dito, di ba? So, dapat you should have an ROI here. Dapat mag-work din tayo. And it doesn't mean that, let's say, for example, Bu is the leader, si Bu na po talaga lahat ng mag-brainstorm. No. It is called point person or leader para lang at least may isang tao ako na i-reach out if ever, or siya na yung mag-consolidate na mga infos ninyo, yung mga data ninyo, yung mga questions ninyo, and have it addressed sa akin. Okay? So, ayan. I'm so excited for our first week of our social media campaign bootcamp. Ayan. In our third week, guys, doon na tayo gagawa ng funnel. Alright? So, thank you so much for today, everyone. I will see you next week at 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Kamalansi na sa akin, Sir Nins. Diba? I will see you next week and I'm super duper excited to see your output. Okay? So, again, if you are done already, feel free to submit it to me for initial checking. Ayan. So, I'm excited for all of your creativeness, for you to apply everything that you have everything that you have been creating. Ayan. So with that, guys, thank you so much. Let's have our group photo. Ayan, mas madali na tayong, wala nang mahihiya kasi parang mas marami na kayong kilala dito. Okay? For your output, guys, please have it sent through our email and then lagyan nyo po ng group number ninyo, and I assume that you already have a group name kasi may mga nakikita na akong nagdi-discuss about group name. Alright, let's turn on our camera, guys, and let's have our picture taking. Ayan. We have your Lawrence, we have Lynn, Ma'am Grace, we have Precious. Ayan, wag ka nang kabahan, Precious. Si Errol, Hazel. Asa na yung mga walang choice na naging leader bigla? Si Ma'am Mary Claire. Okay, ayan. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, naka-smile na yung baby ni Ma'am Arian. Ready na. Smile! Hey guys, i-remind niyo ako next week. Si Nins maggigitara siya sa atin next week. Okay? Nins, prepare yourself for next week. Ikaw yung mag-i-intro next week. Okay? Rhea, remind me ha. Ay, wala ka next week. Wala kang grado sa amin. Bahala ka dyan. Ayan, wala kang grade. I-remove niyo si Nins sa group chat niyo, guys. Alright. Thank you so much, guys. See you next week. Bye! Bakit pa kasi nagpakita ng gitara?
Katulgo na kayo ko, Coach, eh.
Katulgo, nakakatog na din ha.
Katulog na dyan.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye, guys.